Dashboards are a set of panels called dashlets set up by you or with Sugar out of the box. You can create a dashboard on your home page, the record view, or the list view. To access all of the dashboards available to you, click the home icon in the left-hand navigation bar. Here you can see the dashboards you have access to. We'll come back to the Manage Dashboard option after we complete the creation of our first dashboard, and we want to share it with others. Now let me show you how to create and modify dashboards. To start, we just have to select Create Dashboard from the Home icon menu, and we'll give it a name. Let's say Jim's To-Do List. Now the dashboard is created, but it isn't populated with any dashlets. So we're going to click the Add Dashlet icon, which pulls down a drawer from the top of the screen with a list of all the available dashlets. Let's start with the Planned Activities dashlet. Once selected, you can configure this dashlet to your liking. Once you've made your changes or accept the defaults, you just have to click Save to add this dashlet to the new dashboard. Once it's added, you can resize the dashlet by grabbing the corner and moving it to the size you want. Now we'll use the Dashboard Floating Action button to add more dashlets. In the drawer pull-down, I'm going to select the most used dashlet called List View. This dashlet lets you add a mini list view of any module with a custom filter. I'm going to select Leads as the module and filter by the new and assigned leads. I'm going to change the title and the filter. Let's filter by status. If you save your filter in the List View dashlet, this filter will also be available in the Leads module List View search. Let's also add the Active Task dashlet and just save the default values. And then let's also add the History dashlet and save those default values as well. Now that those are added, I'm going to resize and reorganize some of the dashlets on the dashboard. You can do this on your dashboard to meet your specific preferences. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a chart from one of your reports. This is easy. You ready for it? Just select the Report dashlet. Populate the chart, table, and filter options for your report, and add. Now you can rearrange your dashlets to suit your needs. This dashboard looks great, so I'm going to share this dashboard with my team. First, let me say that you aren't able to make changes to a dashboard that isn't assigned to you or that you don't own. But if you're using a dashboard that someone else created, you can duplicate it and configure that new dashboard to meet your needs. So here we go. We're going to navigate to the Manage Dashboard option on your home page. All the dashboards with the favorite icon enabled are the dashboards available to you. Click on My Dashboard in the List View and change the team from Jim's private team to the global team and click Save. That's it. Now you know how to create a new dashboard, change the dashboard you created, and save dashboards for others.